What's up, guys? I'm going for a short little night ride here. Oh, freak. Oh, I missed my turn. Instead of going straight, I should have turned on J. Damn. Yeah, anyways, I'm just gonna pick up something from a friend right now. I don't plan on staying too long. As you can see, my phone is currently plugged in to my power bank. So because it's low on charge right now, so you know what I'm saying, I don't wanna stay too long and let it die. Yesterday I already did a night ride video, even though there was drops of water blocking the screen for a good majority of the video. Today the night is pretty clear, not that many clouds, and no rain either. This morning there was, but like as of now, no rain. And so this is kind of a part 2 video, but I'm not gonna be out for too long. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy, like and subscribe, and let's get it, man. Road to 1,000 subscribers. I would have went 100% if these cops weren't here, bro. 100% would have went. What's happening here? How's the thing in the back of my helmet? I keep forgetting to turn it on. It's a red light that blinks. Should help with making myself more visible at night. But the thing is, I ride at night so rarely that I be forgetting that this thing even exists. Coming out of the wrong way, what the fuck? Segway ZT3 outside. And I am here. I'll stop the video here, guys. Don't know dogs where I'm going, and I'll continue afterwards. Yeah, so we back, heading back home now, and I'm taking a different route because Avenue J is like filled with some big ass potholes that I would like to avoid. I got the tail light on my helmet to blink red to be more visible. Last night the area that I was riding in didn't have that many cars, so it wasn't really necessary. But now, you know what I'm saying, this area is filled with cars and traffic and stuff. So it'd be better to have this instead of not. My top speed today was 30 miles per hour. Okay, cool. I know there is a speed camera on this street here. I'll try to trigger it while I pass by. Riding behind the taxi. Taxi drivers be driving hella slow, bro. about to come to an end, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and let me know what kind of content you guys want to see more often. I'll do more night rides if you guys like this and the yesterday's video. I'm definitely gonna be riding more with the boys in the future. I have one more class and then I'll be done with school, so I'm gonna have a lot of free time to be riding. I had a 20 something mile round trip planned today, but because of the rain I didn't end up going anywhere, and the rain and sky cleared at like 3 p.m. so kind of late to go on such a long ride, but like if it was clearer, I would have done it sooner anyways. I'll see you guys later.